In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block someone from viewing your Snapchat story. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, and all you need to do once you've launched up Snapchat is tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left. Then you can see a gear icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you'll be on the settings page, and you'll just need to scroll down a bit and you'll find additional services, and then it says view my story. Go ahead and tap on that. And you can select friends only or custom, and you can go ahead and select the user or a couple of users, and then you can go back and it's set like that. Now there is another way that you can go ahead and do this, and I'll show you that real quick. So if I just put this back onto everyone and then I go back, I can take a quick snap, and then once I've taken my quick snap, I can push the blue send button at the bottom right, and I can tap on add to my story, tap on the send button. That snap has now been sent to my story, so I can go ahead and tap on my profile icon at the top left. And then underneath where it says my story, there's 3 horizontal dots. Tap on those on the right hand side, and then you can see story settings. Tap on that at the bottom, and then you can once again choose custom and then select the friends from here. So those are the 2 ways of how you can block someone from viewing your Instagram story. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.